Hi everyone, welcome back to another vlog. Hope you all are doing well. In today's video, sharing with you all an interesting 4-bedroom detached property. This is Windermere from Barratt Homes. So stay tuned and watch this video till the end. It could be useful to you. This is located at Penningridge, Barnsley. Going with the floor plans, in the ground floor you have the garage, living, kitchen with dining, utility and a washroom. On the first floor you have 4 bedrooms with the master bedroom having the ensuite and a common family bathroom. Now as you enter the house you'll find a small hall in front of you with various partitions towards your living and first floor. So exploring the living room first. This is the living room which is coming towards the front. Very spacious living room given in length. You can easily plan 2 to 3 sofas and a TV set. And there's plenty of room space to walk around. Towards the front you're getting a nice window, so plenty of light falls in the living space. Now towards the other corner of the living room there's some additional storage space provided with a door and lock. You can plan some kind of storage in here. And also the access towards the kitchen is through the living room. Now moving towards the kitchen and the dining which are coming at the back. So this is the kitchen with the dining space. You also have access towards the utility and the washroom towards the other side, which I'll be sharing with you all later. It's a nice kitchen with the dining space. As you can see, towards one side the entire kitchen space is given, and towards the other side you have plenty of space to plan your dining table. You also have wide French door access towards the garden behind, and you'll be getting a decent garden with fence around it. Now towards the kitchen side, the worktop is spread out on all 3 different sides. You're getting your integrated oven, fridge, freezer towards this side, and there are plenty of cabinets towards the bottom and even on the top. They've provided the gas hob in this. If you want to go for the electric, you can. And apart from this, there's a nice window even towards the kitchen side, so plenty of light falls in the kitchen space. The dining space is really big. If you plan a small dining table, you also have some additional space to plan a sofa. But again, it's totally up to you. Now moving towards the utility which is coming at the back. So this is the utility space. It's separated from the dining space. You can plan your washing machine, dryer, and the boiler also is coming in the utility space. There's a window towards one side as well, so plenty of light falls in. And through this utility you also have access towards the washroom in the ground floor. Again, the space in the washroom looks quite okay. You have the water closet, sink, and they also gave a window. So this was the ground floor. Overall, all the rooms in the ground floor look good with proper ventilation and light. Now moving towards the first floor. On the first floor we have 4 bedrooms with the master bedroom having the ensuite and a common family bathroom. So exploring the master bedroom of the house. This is the master bedroom. It's a double bedroom. You can plan a double bed or a king size bed like this, and you get really good room space to walk around. There's a nice window towards one side, so plenty of light falls in this bedroom. You can plan your wardrobes towards this side in the bedroom. The interiors done in this room and also overall the house are really beautiful, simple and subtle. So through these windows here you can also have the front visuals of the house. The window styling also is simple and nice. So towards the front you're getting the ensuite. Again, the space in the bathroom looks okay. You have the water closet, sink, and there's a walk-in shower. And they also gave an exhaust, so you don't have a window in this bathroom. Overall, a nice bedroom with good space. Now moving towards the second bedroom of the house. So just beside this you have the second bedroom. Again, this is a double bedroom. You can plan a double bed like this and you get good room space to walk around. There's a nice window towards one side, so plenty of light falls even in this bedroom. So you can plan your wardrobes like this towards the other side in the bedroom. So this was the second bedroom, and just beside this you're getting the family bathroom. Again, the space in the bathroom looks okay. You have the bathtub, water closet, sink, and they gave a window in this bathroom. Now moving towards the third bedroom of the house. So beside the common bathroom you have the third bedroom. Now this is slightly smaller than the regular double bedrooms, again bigger than the regular single bedrooms. They have planned a double bed in this, and as you can see you have decent space to walk around. You're getting a nice window even in this bedroom, so plenty of light falls in this room. So they managed to provide a wardrobe even in this bedroom, and if you look at it, this is going inside the wall. It's not taking the additional room space, which is a great feature. So this was the third bedroom of the house. Now moving towards the fourth bedroom. So this is the fourth bedroom of the house. This is again slightly smaller than the regular double bedrooms, but you can plan a double bed like this and you get decent room space to walk around. Towards one side you have a window, so plenty of light falls even in this room. Maybe if you plan the bed in length from the window side, you might get some additional room space towards the front. Again, it's totally up to you. If you want to plan it in this way, you can still do that. So towards the other side they have planned wardrobes even in this bedroom, so you can plan one like this here. Now there are two storage spaces coming on the landing here. In one of them, this is empty. Now you can plan some kind of storage in here, or you can hang your coats in the space. In the other one, obviously you'll be getting the water heater in the space. They haven't provided one now. They'll be fitting a water heater soon. So we covered all the rooms in this property. Overall, a decent property with good style and comfort. I hope you liked watching my today's video. Do give me your suggestions and feedback in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Also, if you're watching my channel for the first time and if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button and feel free to activate the bell icon at the bottom so that you won't miss out on my future uploads. Stay safe, stay connected. See you in another vlog.